I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I wanted to make this video for you guys on how I've been able to make over $1,500 a day drop shipping cell phones. Now, the only downside to this method, well, there's two downsides. One, you can only do this for the next 24 hours, and two is that you have to have money to be able to do this method. Even though you're going to be drop shipping, you have to pay for the stuff, and you're going to be getting paid in a way where you can't get the money instantly. So this isn't going to be like the drop shipping method that I showed you guys with OfferUp and Easy Pages. So you would come over here and build your website over on Easy Pages, then go to a place like AliExpress, Alibaba, or eBay. Then you would take the listing, pictures, and description, put it on Mercari, OfferUp, wherever you want to sell at. And then whenever you got to sell over on OfferUp or Mercari, you would take the money and then you would try to convince them to go to your website, pay you via Cash App, then take the money from Cash App, order from eBay, OfferUp, etc. And then from there, you would just have put in their email, put in their address, then it would go to their house, and then you would just pocket the difference. With this one, it's a little bit different. You are going to have to go to their website. Go to the phone website, and then you're going to have to buy the phone every time you get a sale. And the good thing though is that it's actually coming from a legitimate company. So it's not like a stupid ass eBay seller that takes like 10 days to ship the stuff out. Like they're going to get it shipped out right away. So within 2 days, your customer is going to have the phone. Now, the only downside to this, I should say the only, but another downside to this method is that depending on which company you go through, some of them don't have the gift option. Now, normally when they have the gift option up, that means that you don't have to worry about them putting any receipts in or anything like that because it's a gift. But if they don't have that option, you run the risk of them putting in a receipt. So let's say your total came out to $65 and you sold the phone for $400, So that would be pretty shitty. So then you'll run the risk of them wanting to do a chargeback and stuff like that. But that's the game you're going to have to play right now because, again, we don't have a lot of time. We literally only have 24 hours until this method is pretty much where you can't do it anymore until the next time that these phone companies are having these really, really good deals. So the deals that I'm talking about is basically where you go to the phone company, and I'm not giving out my exact source because I'm literally doing this method right now. So if you want to do this method, you will find out the website that I'm doing it from. It's not hard. But anyway, you are going to go to the phone companies and you are going to buy these unlocked phones. Some of them are locked, some are unlocked or whatever. But anyway, the preferred one is unlocked. And from there, once you get these unlocked phones, they are going to force you to buy a plan. So let's say the phone MSRP is $200, right? And then they're selling you the phone for $10. But they also want you to buy the plan, a bare minimum plan of $55. So let's say out the gate you're spending $70 for this phone here. Now, the good thing is that you're going to get this money back right here, right off top. Like there is no ifs, ands, or buts about this right here because it's the $55 plan. So you are going to, let's say we sell the phone for an even $250 after all fees and everything because of this plan right here. So we're going to get the phone for $10. So right out the gate, that's $190 that we can get in profit right there. Then on top of that, we're going to be able to sell it for over MSRP because it's coming with a $55 plan for 30 days or whatever. So right out the gate, bare minimum $250, just like that. So we're going to be walking away with, what would that be? Let's say low end after all fees and everything, low end, $150 off the sale in profit. You do that 10 times, you just made $1,000, just like that. So you see how easy this method is? It's extremely easy. Now, again, the only downside about this method is that, well, again, I've talked about the downsides. You got 24 hours to do this shit, man. Go out and you have to do this right now. So you got to go over to OfferUp, Mercari, etc., and you have to put these phones up for sale. And then every time you get a sale, you have to put in their information and then just get it shipped out. Now, if they have the gift option, definitely do that because it's gonna suck if they get a $55 bill or $70 bill, and again you charge them $250. Like It doesn't matter if they're getting a deal or not. People just they get upset because they're gonna feel like they got. All right. So if they have the gift option, definitely make sure you use that gift option. And you got to jump on this right away. So some phones are sold out. I know a lot of the iPhone ones sold out. Like they had that iPhone SE one for $100, and you had to buy like a minimum plan of like $65 or something like that. And that phone is MSRP is for $400. So yeah, not bad. Like you can literally make some good money doing this here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it there. No rambling in this video because you need to jump on this method ASAP. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section down below. And again, you have 24 hours to do this method. Get on it.